Grazie.
आफ्रिकाचं बघितलं तिथलं आम्ही खजूर
non posso più a riposare, pace non hai più, sta afflitto cuore, lo capire quando dai alla quando la vita finisce amore. Lo sai quando io vai alla dice e lo vuoi sapere quando vai alla Grazie! Thank you! Aria te mare cade all'acqua se messe e ci trasforma i fiacchi pensieri in sospiri. Guarda c'è mare senti c'è l'ore la tira fuori annanzi con qualche rete che pescatori cacicchieri non sono mai sciacchi. Guarda c'è il mare senti c'è l'ore la tira fuori.
Here in our pavilion is this map and these nautical ropes on the side. This reminds us the dream of the travel and the dream of the sea. It is typical of Italian example of Italian innovation. Innovation, as I told you, is our second topic, and it's a space atomic clock realized by the Italian company Leonardo. It's the most accurate clock for space applications, and it accumulates just 1 second of error every 3 million years. So that's why you can read the perfect time. On the top, we have a glass clock to show the contrast between the past, the tradition, and the present. So we have the time and the perfect time. Please follow me. Installation by Bulgari. It's about beauty. It's composed of 50 points slices of diamond. 50, which are the years of the United Arab Emirates, which were born in 1971, so 50 years ago. It's a tribute from the Italy Pavilion to the United Arab Emirates. It's divided into 7 rows because 7 are the Emirates composing the country. Examples of Italian innovation. The first one is an airplane, which can combine both the flexibility of an helicopter with the power of an airplane. But also we have this white satellite launcher by Avio, and it's also used for European projects. Downstairs we're gonna see the innovation space of our pavilion. Here we have these red numbers, which are a mathematical sequence. It's called Fibonacci sequence. Each number is the sum of the 2 previous numbers. So we have 2 plus 3, 5, 3 plus 5, 8, 5 plus 8, 13, and so on. So this represents the harmony, the perfection, both in mathematics but also in nature. The skywalk where we are walking on is very interesting because the floor was realized by using orange peel, and these walls were realized by using coffee. So very original and sustainable materials used in our pavilion. Algae. The red one is called hematococcus, and the grey one is called spirulina. They will accumulate CO2 from visitors to release oxygen, so we always have a cleaner in the pavilion, which is very important in this pandemic period. Also the grey one, so the spirulina, it's a superfood because very rich of proteins and vitamins. So this building, it's called Belvedere, which in Italian means something beautiful to see. Indeed, all these videos show the beauty of Italian regions and our passages. For example, now we have Lazio. Rome, our capital city, is in Lazio, so in the center of Italy. Also, if you take a look at the roof, there is a symbol of Italian beauty, so the Pantheon that you can find in Rome, but also these paintings. This is our exposition area where we give space to Italian regions to expose their excellence. This exposition is about Abruzzo, which is an Italian region in the middle of the center of Italy. And in particular, it's about the jewel, the crafting beauty. So you can see instruments used to create jewels, and these jewels from 16th century to our days. I already showed you the airplane and the satellite launcher, but let me show you also this drilling machine realized by the Italian company Leonardo. This would be part of an experiment, a European experiment. It will be launched to Mars to the end of this year to collect and search samples of water, rocks, plants all of this, and then the machine will come back and will analyze all this data, these samples. This is the original size, and this machine, it's the best at the moment right now because you can drill up to 2 meters. 2 meters in the ground of Mars. It's an artificial garden because these plants come from Italy, are from Italy. So they're here for an experiment because Dubai temperature are higher than Italian ones. But the very interesting thing is that all these plants are connected with this microchip. The sensors that you can see here, because they are controlled from far away, from Italy, which this center in Rome can monitor the status of these plants. So if they need more or less water, more or less light, if they're dying, if they're good, and so on. So the experiment is going quite good so far, as you can see. It's a remote control garden. This fantasy are a reference to Sicily and Campania. If you wish, you can take pictures and then we can
Kakak pure kakak. Kakak. Kakak gitu.
So this is the Theater of Memory. At the center you can see the statue of David by Michelangelo. It's a reproduction realized by the University of Florence. It's the full statue, the complete statue. So this is the immersive ramp. It's the final part of the Italian Pavilion. You can walk and relax, enjoying the silence because these panels can absorb the sounds, but also you can smell typical flowers, Italian flowers from the Mediterranean part of Italy. So I hope you enjoyed the Italian Pavilion and thank you for your attention. Thank you. Have a good day.
साउंड नाही आता आपण बोलतो आपल्याला बाहेरचं साऊंड येते
जसं फ्लावर आहे